How to delete a Bumble account. Hey guys. In this video, we're going to learn how to delete a Bumble account. First, open the Bumble app, tap your profile icons, bottom, left. Then tap the gear icon in the top, right to access settings. Then, scroll to the bottom of the settings menu and tap delete account, then choose a reason for leaving. Next, tap delete account again to confirm, type the word delete in lowercase, and press confirm to initiate deletion. Your dating profile's second, and all matches and chats will be permanently erased, and you will be brought back to the registration screen. If you have a paid Bumble Boost or premium subscription, cancel it separately via the App Store or Play Store before deleting to avoid continued charges. After deletion, your profile disappears within approximately 24 to 48 hours, but Bumble retains your data for up to 28 days in case you wish to recover it. After that, it's unrecoverable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.